A calendar call was held for Diane Davis, the Pahrump woman facing charges including arson and torturing, injuring, and abandoning animals after a fire inside her home in July 2013, which reportedly killed 17 dogs. Following the incident, Davis was chastised by several animal rights supporters and protesters. A fire investigation reportedly revealed Davis intentionally set the fire in her home, which sparked after Nye County Sheriff's deputies say they responded to a report of a female who wanted to commit suicide at the residence. Following the incident, during which Davis reportedly had a gun and had to be tased before being restrained, several horses and other animals were removed from Davis's property by Nye County Animal Control. Davis has claimed that she does not know how the fire started. She was released from police custody. Davis's next court proceeding, a motion, is set for February 29th. A jury trial is scheduled for March 8th. Charges of unlawful use of a controlled substance could be dismissed against Edward Garza. A stipulation to dismiss without prejudice was made yesterday. Now, district court clerks say the dismissal order went for a judge to sign, but the charges against Garza could be refiled later. Garza currently remains in custody after being sentenced to 16 to 40 years and an additional 364 days in the Nye County Detention Center for a shooting with local police. Back in 2013, Garza was found guilty of all charges against him, included attempted murder and assault with a deadly weapon related to the 2012 shooting at his home on Mance Road, after reports of a domestic disturbance. Each of the two Tonopah residents convicted of first-degree kidnapping and other related charges have now been sentenced. Tammy Denise Ehart was sentenced to 4 to 10 years in connection to the May 2015 kidnapping of a teenage Pahrump girl. Police say Ehart, who was 40 years old at the time, and Jason Klipple, who was 34 years old, had prior contact with the underage victim on social media, and they reportedly picked her up before she got to school. Police say the kidnappers are also known by the victim's family. After Ehart and Klipple were identified as suspects, the missing child was found by police in a van in Tonopah. Klipple was sentenced last month to 8 to 20 years. This has been your court report. I'm Unette Gentry for News 46.